This is in no way, shape or form a sponsored video. This is my own thoughts and opinions based on my first impressions. Reveal, review, haul. Hey team, welcome to today's video and welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Hayden. I'm sure you're well aware of what we're up to today because it is in the title of this video, which is probably why you've clicked on it. We have another reveal, review, haul, unwrapping first impression of a fashion brand that have reached out to me, and they are FioBoc. Now I may actually be pronouncing that incorrectly, so if you know, then feel free to correct me. The guys over at FioBoc, they reached out to me via my business email because they had seen a couple of my other review videos on YouTube. Now, even though they were kind enough to send me 4 pieces from one of their collections, this is in no way, shape or form a sponsored video. This is my own thoughts and opinions based on my first impressions, try on, unboxing, all of that kind of a thing. That being said, like I just said, I have not paid for this, so that's why there is a paid promotion tag in one of the corners. I've had these 4 pieces of clothing sitting here for a little over a week now, waiting for me to have a crack at them. So the time has finally arrived. The 4 things we're looking at today that the guys over at FioBoc were kind enough to send my way are the StaySmooth long sleeve Henley drop cut tee in the color white, size medium, the Ace crew neck sweatshirt, Old Navy, the Stay Cool 2.0 curve hem polo slim fit in black, and then the mock neck short sleeve tee in white, all size medium. Once we did the discussions backwards and forwards, and they let me know what it was that they're looking to send my way, I gave them measurements, I picked it out, then they sent it on over with a tracking number. It took around a week, which is a respectable amount of time. Now, because I already had the 4 items sitting over there ready to go, I have taken them out. We're gonna skip the formalities and jump straight in. The first one I think we're going to have a go at is, I'm not really sure which one it is, but this one here. As you can see, it comes in a plastic pouch, got a ziplock at the top. Like most companies of this type, first impression, it has a bit of stretch to it. It's quite smooth. It has a kind of bathing suit material vibe. That's what I'm picking up. Now, I'm not sure which one this is. I think this is the Slim Fit because it has that stretchy material. I only ordered 1 item in black, so this must be it. There is absolutely no crunch. We like to do the crunch test. We'll have a look at the construction on the inside. Now, it is in black, so I'm not sure how you're going to go with seeing it, but I'm very impressed. You can see how clean that hem is. There is absolutely nothing that is sticking out. There are no threads that I can see. We'll have a look at one of the junctions on the inside. Look at that. Look how clean that is. There's no bunching. I don't see any loose threads. I don't see anything that would potentially mean that it's going to fall apart. Let's try it on. Here we have the Slim Fit. It's actually very flattering. It fits me like a glove, and not in areas that I don't want it to do it, in like along my stomach or around the sides. It feels very comfortable on. I don't feel anything that could potentially be irritating. Nothing's rubbing, pinching, pulling, or stabbing. It just feels really nice. I like the length. I like that it cinches in across your chest. And this is with it unbuttoned. So far, so good. We have a strong start. This is definitely going to find a place in my hanging closet, and will no doubt find its way into my regular going out rotation. Moving on. Seeing as how we tried a t-shirt to start with, we're actually going to follow that theme and do the other t-shirt. The mock neck shirt with the stripe has a different vibe to the other one. The other one was a slim fit, so it had a bit of stretch. It had that kind of material. This one just feels straight up cotton. I don't hear any, that's actually the cardboard you can hear, but there's no crunch to the fabric. Here we have it out of its packaging. There's no smell. I like the hem on the inside, the color. It's kind of reminiscent of Tommy Hilfiger. I like how high collar the neckline is. Construction looks really good, very clean. It's got some weight in this one. I'm interested to know what it's made out of. Okay, interesting. It's got 34% long staple cotton, 34% bamboo fiber, and 32% Sirona. Now, I don't actually know what Sirona is, so if you know, let me know. Okay, so as I'm editing this, future Hayden here, the Sirona aspect of the label, I actually just looked it up, and this is directly from Sirona.com. Sirona is a partially plant-based polymer by DuPont that brings high-performance, sustainable fabric to the fashion industry and eco-conscious consumers, which I am here for. It is about time we had some kind of sustainability in fashion. Let's go try it on. So here we have the mock neck shirt on. I kind of feel like a psychiatric doctor. All that's missing is, you know, the mirror thing on the headband. That being said, I do like a high collar. Not sure how I feel about this high collar. It feels quality. It's very comfortable on the skin. There's nothing that, like the previous shirt, feels like it's going to irritate or bunch or pull or nick at my skin. There is a decent amount of give and freedom of movement. I don't feel constricted. Here we have the second shirt. Not sure I like how boxy it kind of is around this region, but if you eliminate that, and it is rather long. Otherwise though, it's not too bad. Okay, 2 out of 2. We're on a roll here. Let's try our third and final shirt before we go to the sweatshirt. Ooh, this one feels very soft. Very, very soft. This is the StaySmooth long sleeve Henley drop cut tee in white. This has a kind of similar feel to what the black Slimfit shirt was. Not so much this one. This one feels a little heavier in the fabric. This is quite light, but very smooth at the same time. Again, similar to the first one, there is a bit of stretch, a bit of give. Here is what it looks like out of its packaging. Similar to this one that I've got on, it's got the color band in the nape of the neck. Our construction looks very clean, very professional. You don't see anything sticking out. Check out a junction right there. No bunching, no pulling. Looks great. Let's go try it on. All right, so far this one is coming in as my favorite. It fits really nicely. The other one was just a little too heavy in the fabric for my liking and was very boxy around the stomach region. This one is nothing like that. There is absolutely nothing going on that could potentially lead to an irritation. There's a lot of give, a lot of movement, and this fabric feels like it's going to breathe. Very nicely fitted, very flattering. You can unbutton or leave it done up. I kind of like it done up. I like that it shows off areas that you want it to show off or accentuate. I am a fan. That leaves us with one more thing to unwrap, and that's the sweatshirt. So this one has the most weight to it, which obviously it's a sweatshirt, you would assume it would. First impression, it feels very soft and very nice quality. Here we have it straight out of the package. Now I can already tell that this one is going to be a favorite. I really like a preppy, loose kind of a sweatshirt vibe. I like the color, and I like that it's got some stretch to it. It's made from Sirona polymer, which I'm assuming the other two that didn't have tags are also made from that. Check out our construction. It's got the same band in the back, what all of the other shirts have. Very clean. You see a junction right there. We have the seam along the edge. Nothing is sticking out. We don't see anything that could potentially fray apart. There's no smell and no crunch. Let's put it on. I already knew before I put this on that I was going to absolutely love it. It is so comfy on. It's nicely fitted, flattering, just like the others, except for the second one that wasn't so flattering. I still really like the shirt. There's hidden pockets in this one, which you'll see when I flip the camera around. Nothing feels like it's going to irritate. There's nothing pulling. There is a lot of movement. You could definitely do a workout in this sweatshirt. You could go jogging. You could pretty much use it for anything. So here we have it on. Very, very nice. It's got quite deep pockets on both sides. Not very keen on the slit down the side. But other than that, we have a 4 out of 4 successes. The second shirt isn't my favorite, but I'm definitely still going to wear it. I like the style. I just don't particularly like how boxy it is in the trunk. And that's a me problem because I have a short torso. Thank you so much, FioBoc, for sending this my way. I was a little hesitant at first when I checked out the website, and I'm gonna link everything down below for you to check out for yourself. They are reasonably priced. They are very good quality. I'm impressed. You're gonna have to let me know your thoughts yourself. What one's your favorite? Is it something you'll check out for yourself? And if you do, let me know how you go. Thanks for watching, team. Make sure we do the fun stuff, but most importantly, stay tuned.